Somebody's wearing shoes. Somebody's not impressed with shoes. Feels different, huh? Feels different, huh? Come on. Take a walk. Come here. Come here. Try it. Uh-oh, your foot's coming out. That's it. I think you're just going to stand there for a while. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, use your shoes. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.